Is this the most versatile, powerful USB cord ever? It comes wrapped up in this handy strap to easily transport it, and it also has a case to transport it in as well. But look how thick this cord is. So it's completely shielded, and it's powerful too. It's got a 240 watt ability to charge your devices, and it's quite long as well. Look how long this is. Pretty long. So, and not only that, so you can plug in, of course, with USB-A, or you can take that off and plug in via USB-C. Of course, this is a lightning charger, but once again on this side too, you can take that off and charge USB-C devices. So let's check this out and see how well it charges my phone. Of course, you'll also need a fast charging brick to take full advantage of it. Mine takes USB-C, so we're gonna plug this in there, plug this into a wall, and then plug this into my phone. Of course, it starts charging right away. And if your phone supports it, it'll be super fast charging as well. So yeah, this is a super good, thick, versatile USB cord, and I like it. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission, and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.